Fabulous students. I'm here to explain to you how to do project number 8. Apparently, my video was a little bit too long and I could not load it, so I had to redo it. But this is the 8th project that's in your packet that you've received already. And it's going to look like this. It's a 2-part project. This is the one with the line across and the half circle. This is already painted, as you can see. I did a 1-point perspective project for you, which means that when things are far away, they appear smaller when you look at them. The closer you are to an object, the bigger it looks. That's called perspective. So this particular project is going to demonstrate 1-point perspective. Now I sent some white, some yellow, and some green. And for project number 7, you made some green yellow. So what you're going to do is there's a half circle up here. You're going to paint this all white right here. And then you're going to use your other mixing cup that I included, and you're going to make a light yellow, which is white and yellow mixed. Remember, we don't clean our brushes when we're blending. That's what we're going to be doing right here. So you're going to paint white all the way around here where I put the half circle. And then you're going to take your brush and you're going to use the light yellow and blend it in with the white to make it look like it's not a stripe, but that it's blended together. I've taught you how to do this in class. Then we're going to take our dark yellow and we're going to blend it in with the light yellow. You're going to paint the light yellow to about here and to about here. And then you're going to bring in the darker yellow and blend it in with your brush like I taught you in class. And it should look like this. Then we have a road. You're going to start up here with white, and then you're going to mix a dot of the black that I've included with some white to make a light gray. And then you're going to paint white about to here, okay, about to here. And then you're going to add the light gray and blend it in with the white, like this. And you're going to bring that all the way down. And then if you want to, you can make a darker gray and add it at the bottom. Because as the road comes closer to where we're standing, and we're standing right in front of it, right down here, it becomes darker. Okay? That is the background for Project 8. Now we're going to set that across. Oh, before I finish, we are going to paint the grass green and use the dark green, and then take that green yellow that you just made for the other project and do some streaks on the top of the dark green to make it look like grass, just like that. Okay? Now, I've included papers like this with trees that are outlined. You need to cut these out. Now, if you look here, and I'm going to tilt this down, there are 6 trees. There are 2 big ones, 2 medium ones, and 2 small ones. Does everybody see that? 2 big ones, 2 medium ones, 2 small ones. So where do you think the big ones are going to go? they're going to go in the front, because if we're standing right here, the bigger objects are in the front. The medium-sized objects, as we move away and walk up the trail, are going to be in the middle, right here. The big ones are going to be at the bottom here. And make sure that you put when you paste these trees on with glue, you start with the small ones back here, because those are the farthest away and they're going to be the smallest ones. The other ones are going to overlap them like this. And then the big one, we will match up with the bottom of the paper and paste that on down there. Okay, so it's going to be, you're going to paste on the small ones first, the medium ones second, and the big ones third. So it should look like that. This is called one-point perspective. Remember, when you're standing at the beginning of the path here, everything that you're looking at in front of you that's close is bigger, and as you walk up the pathway, things appear to be smaller. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me so I can help you out. Again, I had this all done before, and the video was just too long and it wouldn't process on the computer. So I've tried to do an abbreviated version of it. I hope it's helpful. And I just want you to know I miss you all so much. I hope you're staying happy and healthy. And I'll be back next week with 4 more projects. Have a great weekend.